Right, hello. I am Holly from Designs Hollyva, and today we are going to be drawing a quick and easy house sketch. There we are. This is easy to do with a few simple lines that we'll be doing here. So we'll just do. There we are. These don't have to be perfect, just as long as they kind of form a rectangular shape. And then we'll have our arch here. It is a bit off, but that is okay because we have, to this side, our chimney, and we want to see a bit of a slant going on. Got some simple lines to make up the chimney top. And then we'll give our house a door. There we are. A little circle for the handle. And then the windows, again, just made up using simple lines, so it is quite easy to do. And then another line here. Now that is the basic design you can do. So we'll add a bit of some grass here for our garden. There we are. And then we're going to start colouring. So I'll add some black here. Again, our quick marks for our lines. And then the grass. So I think we're going to have a bright green here. Don't forget you can use a range of different colours, so you can go for more of a traditional look, so you could do a brown background, but I think today we're going to go a bit more brighter. But again, you can make it as natural or as wacky as you want, it doesn't really matter. I mean, personally, I prefer to use bright colours within my work, but there is no right and wrong answer, which is the beauty of art, really. I mean, there isn't a wrong answer. I think we'll do some blue windows, so you just get a nice kind of baby blue in a way for our windows. Here I'm just going to do the opposite because I'm wanting to then use different shade. Right here it's giving it quite a symmetrical look because obviously these are opposites on both sides but the same kind of pattern. And then our slightly more brighter blue can go in here. And here I am purposely not following the lines, not giving it one standard block colour because I quite like to see the marks and the streaks, and especially the white coming through. And again, we're going to do the same on this bit here. So purposely only colour in 2 squares, and then we're going to get a darker blue just for the windows to give you a bit more emphasis. There we are. Maybe some black lines here for our rooftop. I don't know why, but yellow is one of those colours that stands out for me. Do like it, although it's not my favourite colour. Doesn't go with many things, but it is my favourite colour, or one of my favourite colours. There we are. And remember, for everyone watching at home, you can use different colours. Like I said before, you can use a different medium altogether. You don't have to use felt tips. You can do a sketch, you can use pens, you can use paints. There we are, purposely not coloured in the lines. And then we'll give it a red. So we'll have a red top for the house. Again, made up of quite slow, steady and controlled marks, just working out a pattern. So we're going to go up, down and across. Up, down and across. And we'll go a bit more. And already you can see a triangle shape forming within the streaks, which is quite cool. Seeing as that is the shape that we're using, it gives it quite a bold look. And I think we're going to go for a purple chimney. There we are, making sure we get a nice block colour on that, because this is, I guess, one of the main bits of our house. And I think we're going to have a multicoloured one here, so we're going to do a few quick lines, so down and across, just to fill that space. And I think we'll go for an orange as well. Orange is one of those colours for me that reminds me of summer. And I think the brightness kind of reflects the nice sunny weather outside. But not only that, at this time it kind of, I guess, acts as a symbol of hope, especially for everyone who's, I guess, vulnerable or just kind of needs art as a release. It kind of, I guess, cheers them up, makes them feel a bit more positive. You can see already that the colours quite mixed, so if I just go over nicely on the door, it'll create a bright green. Maybe a few lines going down on this side. So here it's a mix of purple and pink, I think, in one colour, which is nice. That is the good thing about using felt tips. You do get different shades of the same colour, which is nice. And then here we're using a yellow, but again you can see it's more of a mustard yellow, so it does stand out. And then I think we'll just finish off with some nice lines down and then back up, down and then back up. You can see kind of a figure of 8 forming as I'm going down and then up in a way, like zigzags. There we are, and there you have it. A nice bold coloured house. Thank you.